welcome to Computeki World. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can make a Python program where you can swap two words. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you should decide with two variables. Define two variables. Here I am using w1 for my first word and w2 for my second word. Okay, as for example I am using the channel name here, Computeki World, and then first I have to print the string in the before swap format. So let's use the print function and type your statement like string before swap, then call both the variables. Now join both the variables to print them together. For example, w1 is equal to w1 plus w2. Then we have to concatenate these two strings in order to print them like world Computeki. So write your first variable is equal to first variable. Here I am using w1, then open a square bracket, write 0 colon, open parenthesis, write len function, and then after that call your first variable minus len function and then your second variable. Okay, then put a semicolon and move to the next line. Here again write your first variable. Here I am using w1 is equal to w1, open the square bracket and write len function and open the parenthesis and write word 2, means your second variable, whatever variable you are using, and then close this statement, put a semicolon, then come to the next line and decide the statement which you want to print. Use the print function like this, write print and then open the bracket and decide a statement like I am going to write string after swap, double quote, and then call both the variables like before, w1 and then double quotes, and then again call your second variable. Here I am using w2. Okay, now it's time to run the program. So as you can see, we have two statements. In first statement we can see string before swap and string after swap. You only have to remember this concatenation process. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it. Thank you.